Yesterday we discussed. Oh, it is not visible. Just a moment. Equation of tangent to the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Dear students, is y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. So from this case, we discussed one point. What is that point here? Director circle. So what do you mean director circle here? The locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents drawn to the ellipse. Fine. That is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So dear students, what is the radius? It is the line segment joining end points of major axis and minor axis. Fine. Yesterday we discussed example also. Find radius of the director circle to the ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. What is the answer? What is the radius is coming? Root over 16 plus 9, that is the answer. Fine. Today I will discuss various forms of a tangent to the ellipse. Is it visible? Anyone, dear students? No. So what happened? Let me see just a minute. Every time happening like this only. Now is it visible? Now? Okay. Okay, thank you. Now see. So equation of the tangent is given, see. Just recall the formulas. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. What is the equation of tangent in terms of m? What is the director circle here? That is the locus of the point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents drawn to the ellipse. That is x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So radius is what? The line segment joining the endpoints of the minor axis and major axis. This is the example. Yesterday we discussed. See, find the radius of the director circle of the ellipse. The r is equal to 5. Now, please write down all of you. What are the various forms of tangents to the ellipse? In this case, see. So directly I'm writing various forms means directly. So equation of the tangent at P x1 y1 is the point P x1 y1. How to find the equation of tangent? Apply the derivative, dear students. That is t is equal to 0. What is the t here? x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. So here t is nothing but -1. So please write down this one. 2. Can you guess what the 2? Equation of the tangent. Anybody need to prove this one? At point P by x1 y1, how you are getting? Same parabola circle also discussed, same thing. T is equal to 0. Apply the derivative, find its slope. Then y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of the tangent at P, a cos theta comma b sin theta. That is the meaning. Right? What is that? So means what here? Equation 1 is there. See, in this case, replace x1 by a cos theta, y1 by b sin theta. So put this value. We get x into a cos theta by a square, y into b sin theta by b square is equal to 1. Right on? Can discuss in next page. Okay, shall I proceed for the next slide, dear students? Yeah. Let's see, what is the conclusion now? Therefore, this is the equation of the tangent parameter form. Very, very important. Right on? So now I will give some questions. Tell me. Root 3 bx plus ay is equal to ab. Touches the ellipse. x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then find eccentric angle theta of the point of contact. Solution. Tell me how do you approach? So write down. So root 3 bx plus ay is equal to 2ab means what is that? So write down equation of the tangent. The line touches the ellipse means it should be a tangent. So equation of the tangent is what is the answer? Divide with 2ab. That is x by a into root 3 by 2 plus a cancel, that means y by b into 1 by 2 is equal to 1. And fine. So equation of the tangent at a cos theta comma b sin theta. Dear student, here theta is eccentric angle. So x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. This is a 2. This is a 1. Fine. Correct. So since 1 and 2 are identical or same, both are same, then what the result is coming? Just comparing 1 and 2, what the result is coming? Cos theta is equal to, dear students, see how much comparing this one? Root 3 by 2. Sin theta is 1 by 2. From these two cases, what is the theta? 30 degrees. That is the answer. Equation of pair of tangents. Right on? So how to find equation of pair of tangents? Anyone remember it? Right on. Equation of the pair of tangents drawn from P H comma K is, what is that, anyone? T square is equal to S into S1. So what is the T here? Where? What is this? Where T is nothing but x x1 by a square plus y y1 by b square minus 1. And S is nothing but standard equation. S1 is nothing but that is the case. So length of the tangent means as usual root over S1 formula. Okay. Now write down some questions after we discuss some properties of tangents. Anyone? See, question. Find maximum area of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which touches the line y is equal to 3x plus 2. Anyone? What is the maximum area of the ellipse which touches the line y is equal to 3x plus 2? So generally, what is the equation of the tangent? So in this case, A is always greater than B. Fine. Equation of the tangent is, yes, correct. Good, Assis. So equation of tangent is, what is the formula, anyone? Y is equal to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay. But one more tangent is given. See the question. Y is equal to 3x plus 2 is given. This is set to 1. So both 1 and 2 are same. Then what you can say? M is 3 and 2 is equal to root over a square m square plus b square. Now put m is equal to 3. After that, squaring on both sides, 4 is equal to 9a square plus b square. Fine. So how to solve this one? Here see, both are positive cases. So what I'm doing, using AM is greater than or equal to GM. So generally, what is the area of the ellipse? Pi AB. Okay. So convert into the format. So 9a square plus b square by 2 greater than or equal to, dear students, 9a square plus b square, how much? 4. That is 2. So this is 3ab. Clear? Now what I'm doing is, see, 2 by 3 greater than or equal to ab. 2 pi by 3 greater than or equal to pi ab. Now, the maximum area is how much now? Maximum area is 2 pi by 3. That is the answer. Maximum area of the ellipse is, you should write like this only, 2 pi by 3. Waiting. Okay. Next slide, see. So I'm discussing one question. This is question come problem, previous G advanced question. So we can remember this one as a shortcut method. Now see how they're asking question. Come see, I'm deriving question. Find area of the quadrilateral. Find area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents. Formed by the tangents which are drawn to the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So dear student, this is the question. Now see, in the place of a square, b square, you can give some values. Some x square by 25 plus y square by 16. But I am deriving formula. It was the previous year advanced question. Mains also number of times asking. But whenever they are giving this type of questions, yeah, one more thing. Just I am adding one more point. Which are quadrilateral formed by the tangents, which are drawn yes, okay, I'm adding one more point. At the ends of lattice recta. Lattice recta means plural form of lattice rectum. That is the question. At the end points of the lattice rectum. First, draw the picture, all of you. Okay, fine. Now, see, dear students, this is the end point. For example, this is the tangent. This is the tangent. Like, okay. Now, A. No. This is A. Can I read this one? So they are asking what they are asking A, B, C, D, area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. But what are the coordinates of this one? Anyone? What are the focus? A, comma 0. So this is what? AE, comma B square by A. What about this one? AE, comma minus B square by A. What about this one? Minus AE, comma plus B square by A. This is minus AE, comma minus B square by A. Fine. So what I'm doing, dear students, I am finding only one area of the triangle. Because symmetrical, this one see. Now, after that, find the area of the quadrilateral means 4 times area of triangle AOD I am finding. Fine. Solution. See the solution, all of you? So in this case, which one is suitable form of the tangent? Anyone? So how many forms are there? 3. There are 3. So slope form is better. Point P x y1 is better. Parameter form is better. Right on. So equation of the tangent at Px1 to the ellipse is x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. Now passes through. What are the point I'm taking? AE comma b square by a. What the result is coming, dear students? So that is x into AE by a square plus y by b square into y1 is nothing but b square by a is equal to 1. What is the result? X e by a. Y by a is equal to 1. Fine. Which means x-axis, y-axis at D and A respectively. Now please tell me, dear students, what are the coordinates of A? Meets the y-axis means x is equal to 0. So this is 0 comma A. What about D? Meets x-axis means y coordinate is 0. X means A by A. See carefully. Yeah. Now, now, so area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D is equal to how much, anyone? 4 times area of triangle OAB, OAD, wide, symmetrical. So 4 times half into, what is the length of OD, anyone? That is A by E. What is the length of OA? That is A only. I'm writing, C, dear students, base is how much? A by E. Height is A. So therefore, 2A squared by E square units, that is the area of the quadrilateral. Right? Yeah, completed. Thank you. Yeah. Another question? Based on this one, tangents are drawn to the ellipse x square by a square plus one, sorry, we should give the values now. Let's turn out. What is the question, all of you? Tangents are drawn to the ellipse x square by 9. Previous J question, dear student, this one. At the ends of data sector, then area of the quadrilateral formed by these tangents is dash. Anyone? Yes. So what is the answer? Just to discuss the previous one. See, area of quadrilateral. What is the formula? 2a square by e. Dear students, here a square is how much? 9. B square is how much? 5. First of all, you should find the eccentricity. Clearly, A is greater than B. What is the formula? Eccentricity is 2 by 3. Therefore, required area is so 2 into A square is how much? 9 by 2 by 3. So answer is 27 square units. Yes. Okay. Question? Right on. There are exactly n integral values. There are exactly n integral values of lambda for which the equation x square plus lambda xy plus y square is equal to 1 represents an ellipse. Then n can be dash. Anyone? Challenging question? Dushta? Akhil? Saiswa? Anyone? Bhavan? Kumar? Anyone? Okay, I will explain. See. Can I explain? Bhavan? Yes. Someone is responding. Let me see. What the logic is there here? Represents ellipse means what the condition? I'm giving 1 second. See, dear students. Ax square plus 2hxy. Dear students, second degree equation represents, represents an ellipse. What the condition? H square is less than AB. So here, compare that equation in one. A is what? 1. B is what? 1. H is what, dear students? 1 by 2. So therefore, put this value. So 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to lambda by 2. Okay. Lambda by 2 minus A into 1, B into 1 less than 0. So lambda square by 4. So lambda square less than 4. That means what? Minus 2 less than lambda less than 2 is coming. What are the values here, dear students? I can take minus 1, 0, 1 indicated values. Therefore, how many are there? N is equal to 3. Yes. Now see carefully what they're asking. So same model I'm giving. Anyone tell me what is the answer? After completing, tell me. Shall I proceed? The next question challenging anyone? Tell me. Pavan, Siri Sadvika, Udgur Charan, shall I proceed? Yeah, thank you. Now see. This question is challenging anyone? Tell me. If A represents, write down, the area of the ellipse three x square plus 4xy plus 3y square is equal to 1. Then find 3 into root 5 by pi into A is dash. Tell me what is the area of this ellipse first of all, anyone? Yeah, area of the wrong. Check it once again. I'll try it. Now, see, dear students, don't say pi ab. Area is pi ab. It is not in the x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is not in the standard form. Verify whether it is satisfying or not. It is, first of all, whether it is ellipse or not, verify, dear students. Given. Okay. So clear. So h square is minus ab less than 0, satisfying or not? See, clearly satisfying. Yes, satisfied. So which is ellipse. So dear students, now how do you proceed? These type of models every time. So put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So immediately Pawan is asking, sir, this is the parametric form of circles, no? Then why you are taking? Yes. Ellipse becomes circle when it is possible. Anyone? Anyone? Major axis is equal to minor axis. When A is equal to B, beautiful, correct. When A is equal to D, Sadhguru respond immediately. Good, yeah, good, alert, beautiful. Now what I'm doing here, what the logic is that see, here R is nothing but radius. So there are two cases are there, dear students. See, so this is the R. This one is also R. But thing is, what is this is the maximum radius? This is the minimum radius coming. So maximum value is nothing but what is that? A. Minimum nothing but minor axis. Let us see what is the format is coming. See, dear students, 3 into what you are observing, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta from these two terms plus 4 r square sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Put these values in the given equation. So 3 r square plus 2 r square sin 2 theta is equal to 1. See, how anyone? Because 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Now therefore r square is equal to 1 by 3 plus sin 2 theta. Now what the result is coming, see, dear students? Therefore r is how much? 1 by root over 3 plus 2 into sin 2 theta. So can you guess anyone? Completed. So I need maximum value. So what do you mean, dear students? Maximum means what? The denominator must be minimum. So minimum of sin 2 theta is how much? Minus 1. This is 1. What is that? That is semi-major axis. Now I need minimum. Can you guess what the answer? That is maximum of sin 2 theta is how much? 1. That is B. What is the B value, anyone? So dear students, tell me, yeah, what is the area of ellipse? That is pi AB. What is your answer? Yeah. So my request is, any doubt is there? Tell me immediately. Till now, any doubts? What is this? This is given in the question capital A. Now, come to the point. But what they are asking? 3 root 5 by pi into A. So what is the answer? So it's a numerical value. Yes. So you have to approach like this one, dear students. So same question I'm giving, you can practice at home. Compare this one, that is very, very easy. Tell me. Still writing anyone? Okay. So you can practice at home this question, dear students. Find length of the longest chord of the ellipse x square plus y square plus xy minus 1 is equal to 0. That's the question. Now, concept. I don't, dear students. What is that? See, properties of tangents. It's very important. One. Ready? The locus of the feet of perpendiculars from the foci upon any tangent is an auxiliary circle. So what is the meaning here? See, is the diagram is given. So draw one tangent. Is the focus. One is also focus. So from this case, draw the perpendicular. Where are they? These feet of the normals lies on auxiliary circle. That is the meaning. So remember this one. Proof is not required. In the proof. The locus of the feet of the perpendiculars from the foci upon any tangent is an auxiliary circle. Perpendiculars drawn from the point. See, is the tangent. Is the focus. The circle is what? These feet of the normals means feet of the points lies on the auxiliary circle. That is the meaning. Dear students, suppose this is A, this is B. Yes, yes, yes. So what is the second property? They are asking what is the value of SA into S dash B. That means the product of perpendiculars from the upon any tangent ellipse is for the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is b square. Tell me what is the answer. What is the logic? They're asking what is the value of SA into S dash P. Simple. Equation of the tangent having the slope m is, what is that? Y is equal to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square. Fine. So one point, this is the AE comma 0, dear students. This right line. What is this right line? Mx minus y plus root over a square m square plus b square. Consider the d1. So like the d2 also there. A comma 0 minus a comma 0. Find the perpendicular distance drawn from the point to the given line means what is the formula? That is d1 is equal to 1 is, so AEM plus root over a square m square plus b square by root over m square plus 1. Similarly, can you guess what the m to anyone? Minus AEM plus root over a square m square plus b square by root over, because one point is a comma 0, another one, what is another focus? Minus a comma 0, drop the perpendicular. Now question is they're asking d1 into d2, that is AS into BS. That's question. Simplify. Anyone? Rusta? Rusta is there? Rusta, raise your hand. Okay. Okay. So this one is I'm recording this class. I will keep in my YouTube channel. If anybody want to see, you can see. Okay. Yes, Prabhaswamy, yes. Now, next one, see. Simplify. What the result is coming? So, plot of these perpendiculars. What the answer is coming? One is a plus b into a minus b. So that is what the answer? A square minus b square. That means minus a square e square by 1 plus m square. So we know one result. What is that? A square e square means how to write? That is the relation among eccentricity A, B. So in this case, what to do here? Now simplify. B square plus b square m square is coming. What the answer? Take b square outside. Hence proved. We will write down question. The product of the perpendiculars drawn from OKI upon any tangent to the ellipse x square by 144 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. What is the answer? Find it yourself. Question. The product of the perpendiculars drawn from the foci upon any tangent of the ellipse is property number 3. The tangents at the extremities means of endpoints of the lattice rectum pass through the corresponding foot of the directrix on major axis. The tangents at the extremities of the lattice rectum passing through corresponding foot of the directrix on major axis. So what the meaning? This is x is equal to a by a, x is equal to minus a by a. Now, like that. What is this? AE comma b square by a, n points. So simple logic, check it, verify, anyone? So what is the equation of tangent? That p x1 y1 is xx1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. That is, replace x1 by a, y1 by b square by a square. 16 is correct. So what the result is coming? That is, earlier we discussed, it means what is the answer? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now see the case, whether it's coming or not. Check it. So which means put y is equal to 0. What the answer is coming? Definitely satisfying. See, like that we can verify. Put y is equal to 0. Yes. Y is equal to 0. X is what? A by a. So this point means exactly on the directrix. This is 90 degrees. So many questions are there based on this point, dear students. Now, shall I proceed? So what do you want? Concept? Shall I proceed for concept or problems? What do you want? Pawan? Tell me, Bhuvan, anyone? Sai Iswar? Most of the cases are problems. Okay. Anur is asking problems. Okay. Sadhguru Charan asking concept. Okay. Very good. Okay. What is the time now? Let me see. Okay. 10. Sufficient. Discuss. Most of students are asking problems. Okay. We discuss problems. What of the measure D? Thank you, dear students. Right on. Question. How many of you are responding? Let me see. Simple question I'm giving. The equation x square by 2 minus a plus y square by a minus 5 is equal to 1 represents an ellipse. If a belongs to anyone, no, see everyone silent. represents an ellipse. What to do? Okay. So, dear students, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 means what? A square is positive, b square is positive, accepting. So, see clearly 2 minus a must be greater than 0, dear students. A minus 5 should be greater than 0. That is the answer, see. And if you take it, yeah, 2 minus a is also greater than a minus 5. Simplify. 2 greater than a greater than 5. Okay, okay, dear students, just a small mistake is there. But just a minute, changing. Just a minute, and change the question. This is, this one will be easy. It's very easy. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now tell me what the answer. Otherwise, you will not solve this one. What is the first step? Yes. Wow. Rakshit respond here. Very beautiful, Rakshit. Okay. Okay. First of all, it is not in the standard form of the ellipse. Anyone observing? What are they given? X square by 2 minus a plus y square by a minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Divide with minus 1. That is a minus 2 plus y square by 5 minus a. So this is the ellipse. Both are multiplied with minus 1. So a minus 2 greater than 0. Greater than 0. General case. So what is the answer? 2a is greater than 7. So a is greater than 7 by 2. What the answer is coming, anyone? Yeah, correct. So from this case, what you can say? Two less than a less than 5. But 7 by 2 means what here? That means what here? 2 less than a less than 7 by 2 and like you can take it. Two less than a less than 7 by 2 and 7 by 2 less than a less than 5. Yeah, correct. So eccentricity is not required here. Okay, no? Now one more question. Already I have given one question, homework question. So please submit the solutions by today evening. Okay. Yeah. Faida, question. No, last 4 minutes. Faida, dear students. Find eccentricity. Anyone? Find eccentricity of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 meets the line x by 7 plus y by 2 is equal to 1 on x-axis and meets the straight line x by 3 minus pi by 5 is equal to 1 on y-axis. So dear students, you can practice it later. Write down some DBP questions, all of you. Hurry up. I'm giving 2 more questions. Another question. Prove that the locus of point of intersection of the straight lines px by a minus y by b plus t is equal to 0 and x by a plus ty by b minus 1 is equal to 0, where t is any parameter, is an ellipse, and find its eccentricity. Anyone? One more question. These are the DBP questions, dear students. Next question. Find the minimum area of triangle. Find minimum area of the triangle formed by tangents to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and the coordinate axis. So, subset. Practice these questions, dear students. Once again, revise. What are the properties of tangents, various forms of tangents, and these problems. Sometimes they're giving ellipse ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, this type of formats, how to find area could we discuss. So once again, you can go through it, this one, formulas also. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.